Today we were driven by Odi, which was really amazing, and it felt so great.
Ritukile, guys. We're expecting so much.
I'm expecting to have a good time.
Why do you think Miss Mpumalanga is the platform for you to pursue your advocacy?
I feel like if you're in a position of power, people listen more.
I think Miss Mpumalanga is a vessel for young women to show them that it's possible.
And I know this is my crown. I am here to win.
Who is sponsoring the organization?
MER, which is Mpumalanga Economic Regulator.
Official sponsor of Miss Mpumalanga is the MER, the Mpumalanga Economic Regulator.
It has recently launched sanitary towels.
And what are they called?
They're called Ntombatsani.
We're looking for a girl who's unique, who's authentic, and who stays true to herself, and who can really take the Miss Mpumalanga pageant to the next level.
The previous queens have seen that they are far, and I would like and I'm encouraged to also be where they are today.
It is a great opportunity for me for personal growth, empowerment, and to get out of my comfort zone.
I want to emphasize the fact that success is not determined by where we come from.
My advocacy is actually sustainable development.
Charlotte, please sound Mpumalanga to me.
We have a World Heritage Site, which is Makonja Mountains. The Sodala Caves, the Kruger National Park.
About God's windows, yes.
Miss Mpumalanga just launched pads which are called Ivombatani for girls who are less privileged.
Okay. Tando, are you emotionally ready for this platform? But you are crying.
What a day! We had a good 2 days of meeting the girls from the Highveld and the Lowveld, and I can say that the competition is very tough, and because all the girls came in hungry, they came wanting the title of Miss Mpumalanga.
And also I love how you stand against illegal gambling and also abuse of alcohol.
So you're supporting your sister right now?
Do you know any of the winners?
I forgot their
You see now.
So any girl would love to be called the queen of the province. Why not?
Grind visuals. #Memories in Motion.